Hello everyone, I hope you well. Today I am talking about some oils and fats that are good for heart. That means they are heart healthy and they are good for our body also. Because these oils and fats can reduce bad cholesterol level in our blood and also they can prevent heart disease and stroke. Now I am talking about these oils and dietary fats. These oils and dietary fats are essential for our body or not? Yes, definitely they are very essential for our body because these oils and dietary fats they provide energy to our body and support our cell function, and they protect our body organs and keep our body warm, and also they also help our body to absorb some nutrients and produce important hormones. That's why these oils and dietary fats are very essential for our body. Now I am talking about some cooking oils and fats. All cooking oils and fats are heart healthy or not? No, not all of them are heart healthy. Some cooking oils that are made from the plants or seeds, they are heart healthy and good for our heart. As for example, olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, safflower and corn oil. These cooking oils are very heart healthy and good for our heart. Now I am talking about the fatty fish. These are sea fish. As for example, salmon, tuna and mackerel. These fish are called fatty fish because they provide a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. And if someone eats this fatty fish at least 4 times in a week, they are very less likely to die of heart disease. That means these fatty fish are very good for our heart. Now I am talking about dietary fats and oils. Some dietary fats and oils are good for our body. That's why they are called good fats and oils. These good fats and oils are divided into two classes: monounsaturated oil and polyunsaturated fats. And these fats and oils remain in liquid condition at room temperature. That means they are not solid at room temperature. As for example, olive oil and canola oil. And these dietary fats and oils reduce bad cholesterol levels in our blood. Now we'll talk about these good fats and oils like monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats are very good for our heart, and some foods and oils and foods contain high percentage of these monounsaturated fats. As for example, olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, safflower oil, sesame oil, and some foods like avocado, peanut butter, many nuts and seeds. These oil and foods contain high percentage of monounsaturated fats, but they contain less amount of saturated and polyunsaturated and other fats. That's why this oil and foods are very good for our heart. Now we're talking about polyunsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated fat also very good for our heart, like soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and some nuts and seeds like walnut, tofu, and soybean. They contain high percentage of polyunsaturated fats, but they contain less percentage of other fat. That's why this oil and foods are very good for our heart. Now I will talk, if these oils and fats are good for our heart and body, so can we eat any amount of these oils and fats? No, we shouldn't eat very high amount or excessive amount of oils and fats. We should eat moderate amount of food, because moderate amount of oils and fats are good for our heart. They reduce bad cholesterol level in our blood. And some people who are eating this moderate amount of oils and fats, they are less likely to die of heart disease, especially fatty fish, the omega-3 fatty acids. And these oils and fats provide nutrients to our body. They help and maintain body cell function, and also they provide vitamin E to our diet. That's why we should eat moderate amount of these oils and fats to keep our heart healthy and keep our body healthy. This is the end of my video. Thank you for listening and see you in another video. Bye. Thank you. Bye.